The booster test automation. First of all, I would like to remind us why we are focusing on a booster reset automation. Our current production process consists of the several stages. Each stage has different production abilities. According to the theory of constraint, each production process always has the weakest point or the bottleneck. To be productive, we have to identify it and produce no more than this point can consume. And it doesn't matter if the other stages can produce more than the weakest point. We can't move faster than the regression test velocity. On top of that, our regression test is happening outside of the sprint. It means every sprint we deliver a not shippable product. It's our process constraint. According to the theory of constraint, any improvements beside the bottleneck are an illusion. This is the reason why our next improvement must focus on the regression test. Overall, the regression test takes 3 full days. 7 hours of the regression test time QA spent to reset and set up a booster for the next test case. All the 3 QAs does the booster reset and setup. It costs the company at least $350 per sprint or $9,100 per year. Beyond the consumption of time, it impacts the sprint velocity and the shipment of the new features. 3 main booster behavior automation have been tested. First, booster auto restart. User click the reset button in the browser and wait until the reset is done. Booster auto power on off. User click the power button to turn the booster on and off. And the master booster setup. User click the setup button in the browser and wait until the setup is done. Let's say a few words about the implementation. The nice part is the implementation done in the JavaScript. And the JavaScript has a main knowledge of the current team. And also it's easy integrated to the Nightwatch. Runtime and execution. We run the script using the Node.js, and it can be executed from the browser. And again, it's easy integrated to the Nightwatch. Booster power on-off demonstration. Now let me demonstrate how the automation part is working. So this current setting is mimicking the human and the booster behavior. It will read the booster status and display it with the LED and on the screen. First, I'm going to run our custom JavaScript using Node.js. And the Node.js is initializing the board, and the board starts reading the status of the booster. So the current status is black. Black means the booster is not working properly or booster is off. And we know for sure the booster is off, and that's the purpose of this exercise. Now we're going to use our URL to turn the booster on. I run it from the browser. And as you can see on the left side of the screen, the light is turned pink. This exact light that the booster providing for us at the same moment. Current status of the booster is flashing blue. That means the booster is trying to connect to the master booster or the modem. But because neither of them is available, the booster is going to turn the solid red. And now the light is solid red, which means booster is up, but it's not connected to any other devices. So the power on and off is working. Booster reset demonstration. Now I'm going to demonstrate you the booster reset. I initiate the booster reset by clicking proper URL from the browser, and we can see the booster reset process is started. The light is flashing red, which means the first stage of the booster reset is in progress. And also we check in the timeout, because sometimes we need to click on that button twice. The timeout is about 30 seconds. And if first part is not going is not complete after the 30 seconds, we will try to click the reset button again. So now it's a ping, which means the process in the second part of the booster reset. At this stage, we are not checking the timeout. In a few moments, the booster reset should be done. Alright, so now the booster is trying to connect to the master booster or modem. And that can we tell by flashing blue. And it's a solid red because no connection was established. Now, after demonstration, let's take a look at the automation cost. For one booster, I spent $53.20 for the automation. To automate the 10 boosters, we need $671.02. Also, this cost doesn't include a dedicated computer, which I haven't included because I don't know if we need to buy one or we just simply can borrow. So this is the end of the presentation. I would like to sit down and talk to you guys about the next step. Thank you.